Kriti Khabanda, before we start taking questions from people, there's a question for you from Pulkit Samrat.
Okay.
He's asking you that please ask her how does she now believe that I can bake her good breads for breakfast every day. She never believed until I baked something. So
He's
please
such a
tell me.
bum. No, he is an absolutely fantastic cook. I have to say this. I have eaten uske haath ka khana many times before. And he's a fantastic cook. He has a great sense of flavor and he loves feeding people. Anyone Pulkit works with, they will tell you. You can ask the whole Fukra gang, you can ask the whole Pagalpanti gang. They will tell
Yeah.
you that Pulkit is the person who loves to feed people. Uske andar ek छुपी हुई माँ है. उसको पता भी नहीं है. But I believe Pulkit has a ma inside him that loves feeding people. This I did not expect. Baking breads for me, I did not expect, and gluten free and with stuff at home because we have
Yeah.
access to very limited stuff. But I am so impressed. I have to tell you, he won 25,000 points from me. That
25. So
I'm
you are
very
having
impressed with his
points
baking
system.
skills.
Making
It's
skills. Okay, and
unreal, Farid. He has just suddenly got up the other day. So I had made mutton and rice, and he suddenly said, "Yaar, pav khane ka man kar raha hai." So I thought he was joking. So I said, "यार अब मैं पाव कहाँ से लाऊं रात को 9 बजे?" रात को 9 बजे उसने पाव बनाए हैं to eat with that mutton
which is
at
amazing.
home. I really don't
Which
know
is
how he
amazing.
does it, but it is so lovely. I have seen both of us grow through this quarantine.
Right.
We've caught up on a lot of television, a lot of series that we missed out. We've been cooking, we've been working on ourselves. I think we've been working on how to make ourselves better humans. Suddenly, the reality of life has really stricken us, and we're both extremely emotional people. Extremely emotional. So I think that's the only flaw that both of us have, that we're both extremely emotional. So it becomes very hard. कि अगर एक बंदा
Right.
इमोशनल है तो दूसरा कंट्रोल कर ले, ये नहीं होता. दोनों बहुत इमोशनल है. But having said that, I've learned a lot about him this quarantine, and I can tell that not just saying this because he's my boyfriend, but I have immense respect for him, and it comes from my heart and from my mind. And I have never met a more caring and giving person. And this is an opinion that can never change because how long can you? I mean, you can't pretend and be these things. I've seen this about him over the years, even when I worked with him, even when we were just friends, even after we started dating. He's a lovely human being and he is really, really caring about the people around him. Like, he's the kind of person who will be like, हाँ ठीक है मैं थोड़ा suffer कर लूँगा but सामने वाले को दिक्कत ना हो. So I really
Right.
like that about him, and
And
that's something that I admire about him a lot.
the interesting part is, so I've known him for quite some time, and I told him as well. So I had a live chat with him a few days back, and
Yeah.
so that if whenever a person has a capacity to evolve, that to change over a period of time, I personally find that very fascinating, and I've seen that in him.
Yeah.
Over the years that he has evolved and changed like dramatically, which is I think which is wonderful.
I think acceptance is key, Faridun. It's only easy to change if you accept that there are certain places that you need to work on yourself, and you're capable, not just capable, but you're willing to make that difference to yourself. So I think self-love is very, very important. Where you give yourself the benefit of doubt and you say, you know what, I know I can do better than that. So I think that's something he's realized, and I'm very, very proud that I'm his girlfriend. Yeah, I'm very, very proud.
Right. Okay. So when I did an interview with you and Pulkit for your earlier film,
Yeah.
we had a discussion about relationships and the works. So now when you guys are together and you're getting this, I think quality time together that no one could have ever imagined that you can possibly get that. So people talk about marriage and all those stuff, but I think personally feel that more than marriage, it is a good relationship that really matters.
Right.
And it could have been the ideal time that you guys have been spending to just discover that.
Yeah.
And अगर आप एक दूसरे को बर्दाश्त कर पाएं and एक दूसरे की कंपनी को पसंद करें, there's no better sign of a good relationship than that, personally.
Absolutely. I'm stuck with my
So
best friend. So I'm not
that's
complaining
amazing.
at all. We have our ups and downs, but we're very, 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 very friendly. I think we're friends more than we are actually dating each other. We're more of friends because we were friends before we started dating. So our relationship was very different. We didn't just jump into it.
Right.
I know so much about his life. He knows so much about mine, and there was there was transparency, there were conversations. So I think it makes a hell of a difference when you have that relationship with anybody in your family. I know a lot of people who are struggling through these times also. Someone messaged me a few days ago on Instagram saying, "You look so happy. I hope this continues for you. I'm having a tough time at home. My parents keep fighting." Someone messaged me, someone very random. And I thought to myself, that's when you realize how blessed you are, and there is still suffering out there, even in your personal life. Because, touchwood, I think I've been blessed with sanity this quarantine, but there are a lot of people who have been pushed into it, of course, forced into it. A lot of people who were daily wage workers who were working on like hand to mouth basis, ke haath mein paisa aaya to muh mein khana gaya. So I know a lot of people are going through that. I know a lot of people who are undergoing depression. I speak
Of course.
very strongly for mental health
Yeah,
because
yeah, of
I've been
course.
through it in my life, and I know how
Yes, we
painful
have
it
spoken
is.
about that in the past. We have spoken about that in
So
the past.
yeah, exactly. So those are things that we pay attention to, and try and divert our minds. Okay, you know what? Every time I feel like I'm, getting into like spinning in a spiral, rather,
Right.
I literally drag myself out of it. Think happy thoughts. Sometimes just call mama. And there are times when I just start dancing for no reason. I turn on music and I just dance. And there is no proper dancing, not like I'm looking sexy or hot. I am looking like a goofball. But I enjoy that. So you need to find what makes you happy about yourself. What do I like about myself? I love that I'm lazy. I love that I'm a goofball. I love that I love wearing my pajamas all day long. I'm not complaining that way. So I think it's
Right.
something that I'm comfortable with today, but I wasn't, of course. So it's taken a lot of work.
Okay. So, what is the importance of mutual respect in a relationship, especially like a
I think
man-woman relationship?
that's the most important thing. It doesn't go beyond that. Love is not all it takes. There's a reason they say that. Love बहुत secondary है. Infatuation होती है, आप किसी को देखते हो, लेकिन जैसे ही वो अपना मुंह खोलता है and he's disrespectful towards you and somebody else, feelings go out the window. Respect is the most important thing, followed by trust, and I think then followed by love.
Okay, interesting. Okay, and you guys are supposed to be a part of this movie, Bulbul, with that is for Salman Khan
No,
Productions. I
nothing's
believe.
confirmed yet.
Right.
I don't know. I have only signed one film as of now, two films as of
Right.
now, and I haven't signed anything beyond that since the quarantine has happened. So it's something that the industry is also taking very slowly, and they're being very, very cautious about how they want to go about stuff. There was an article a couple of days ago which spoke about the kind of rules that may be implemented while shooting a film.
Right.
I think that's the only thing I miss this quarantine. The only thing I really absolutely miss is my workplace. I miss it. I sometimes go crazy. I miss being in front of the camera. I miss being a character. And every time I feel this way, I read my scripts once more and I'm like, I just go to brush myself with a couple of pages. I want to, I just want to go back to a set. I am having major withdrawal issues. But having said that, I want
That's
to go back
understandable.
healthy and hearty for myself and for everybody else.